Okay, as you know, I'm not a huge fan of job boards. I really believe that finding the passive A player candidates for our clients in recruiting are not going to be found on job boards like ZipRecruiter, Monster, Career Builder, Indeed. And I think they're kind of a waste of money, to be honest with you. I've used them all. I've spent thousands, tens of thousands of dollars throughout my years of recruiting, getting Career Builder, getting Monster, ZipRecruiter, Indeed. The only one that I use right now is Indeed. I feel like it's got, all the people you would need. Their advertising campaign has been incredible. So everyone knows about Indeed. Now, I have been using Indeed to work one job that I've had for the past 6 months. I've actually renewed it I'm on my third time right now. So $148,500 in search fee I have acquired through this company. And I have found all of their candidates using this strategy on Indeed, which cost me $250 a month. So you guys do the math on that return on investment. Let me show you how it works, because anyone watching this video, if you're in recruiting, if you want to start a recruiting business, this is where I would kind of have you start in Indeed for $250 a month. You can search all of their resumes. Move my face down here. And all you do is go over here to this bar and hit search resumes. And now this gives me all the access to search people's resumes. And I have a network engineer role right now with a telecom company, so I'm going to type in some keywords. These keywords are pertinent to my skill set that I'm looking for. And this is a remote job, so we'll keep it open to all areas. Okay, and then all the resumes and people should load up here. Great. So I've got a whole list of people that I can reach out to right now. So let me narrow this down a little bit more. I typically like to adjust this bar. So resumes last updated within last 6 months. I usually go within the last, let's try a month, because these are going to be hotter candidates that are looking to make a move right now. And yep, that looks good. I don't really care about that. I don't know how accurate it is. And then network engineer is pertinent to my search, so I'll click that as a title. And then I have 168 results. So I got a good sampling of people that I can go through right now and start sending emails out to. So it's as simple as this. I just take a glance at their title, what they're doing, where they live. All these people look pretty on point for what I need. My goal right now is to cast a wide net and see who responds. So you click as many people as you want, and then you hit email. And I've got templates set up in here already. So if I click on this one right here, go down, click on this template here. So I've got a message already set up, so I don't have to keep typing this. This saves me a lot of time. I explain to the candidates what I'm looking for. I put a job description page available to the candidates to see. So let me show you what this looks like. Pretty cool. If you're not doing this, you should be. Make this look professional for your candidates to review and make a decision. All right, don't half-ass your searches. So I create a job page for my candidates. This links to my website, and it gives them a very detailed description of what I need, and they can apply here, which goes into Loxo, my ATS applicant tracking system, my CRM. I also include a video. Well, the video's down right now, but this video would explain what I'm looking for. And it's my face and I'm talking. So really professional. Candidates love this. So if you're not doing that, do that. I can teach you how to do it, or you can copy our templates if you need to. And then I have them schedule a call with me below. What's good about this is once they click my Calendly link, it goes right into my calendar automatically. I come to work tomorrow and I've got 2 or 3 intro calls lined up with candidates. I don't have to get back to them. They're already in my calendar. I come on Zoom. I do a 5 to 10 minute intro call. I know within 2 minutes if I want to move to the next step, which is a deep dive interview on video for my client. Okay, so this strategy right here, using Indeed open resume search for $250 a month, has yielded phenomenal results for me. It's yielded a $148,500 profitable result for me with one of my clients. Wanted to share that with you. If you're not using it, it's a really good idea to do so. All right.